up, family? It's your girl, Nikki J, and y'all know how we do it. I'm going to jump right into it. I know you've been saying, girl, where you been? Well, y'all, I had to have major emergency surgery, and y'all, I've been mending and taking things one day at a time. So keep your girl in your prayers. But I'm just so glad to talk to y'all. Y'all, I miss y'all so much. When I say it's been a journey, it's still a journey. Um, y'all know your girl don't roll like this. But I just want to say we just take the little things for granted. And what I mean by that, just being able to, y'all, put one foot in front of the other, put your own clothes on, give yourself a shower without help. Y'all, all that is a blessing. It is such a blessing. And I guess, every time I've had surgery, mommy has been with me, but this time my dad, he was right there with me every step of the way. I know my mom, she was with me in spirit, but having my dad around has been absolutely amazing. He is my hero, and I thank God for him. But y'all, while I was on the mend, y'all, these cleaning products, I said, I got to come on here and share some things with Royal Family. Y'all know how we roll and how we do. Y'all, why y'all didn't tell me about Nature's Promise? Y'all, I am in love with this for the kitchen. Honey, well, Daddy been cleaning with it in the kitchen. He makes me sit down, makes me get my rest. I'm so thankful. But y'all, I love this product. And I found it with my dad in the grocery store, because y'all know that's my chauffeur. I just started back driving. For less than $3. So y'all try this. And this is the Honey Crisp Apple. So get you some. Now, if you want to clean your carpet, clean the kitchen, or you want to get on them baseboards and the cracks and the crevices, if you want to clean furniture, whatever the case may be, honey, go to the Dollar Tree. Yes, I said Dollar Tree. Look at here. This right here, awesome. It's just that it is awesome. This will clean and do what you need it to do. Okay, this big bottle for $1. $1. Okay, $1. Y'all, and the store was out of Daddy went to Dollar General. And I was like, I need some more Clorox wipes, honey. And can't be having no germs going on up in here. Well, they were out of the Clorox wipes. So I picked up the multi-surface wipes with bleach. Y'all, these are good. Do y'all hear me? Get you some, okay? These are so good. And it's safe on finished wood, granite, and stainless steel. Y'all, this is what you want, honey. We want the germs gone. So I really been enjoying these. Now, I know for a while you couldn't find it, this, that, and the other, but honey, I don't know about y'all, but like in stores around here, they still have the sign up, you can only get 2. Some stores 1, but we gonna keep that lifestyle, okay? Because when you come in the door, spray them shoes. I don't care. I know everything is opening up, wide open, this, that, and the other, but Corona still ain't went nowhere. Did it tell you it was leaving the building? Did it say exiting the building? No. Still need to be cleaning and wiping things down, washing hands, all that. Y'all know how I am. Okay, so you say, well, I'm not spending no $24.50 on no candle, but I just had to share this with y'all. Y'all, Walmart. Y'all see that? 3 wick. They have their own candles. It's the Passion Highly Fragrance Candle, Cranberry Currant Sweet Orange. Well, it's the Papaya Passion. It's 14 ounce. Y'all, this candle smells so good. I have one. Now, the throwback off the candle, better for a smaller room. In a smaller room, the throwback is good, but in a bigger room, not so much. But it smells heavenly, and it's not even $5. So you could get this candle for $4.88, I think. $4.88. Tried and true cleaning product. Y'all, look, y'all, we gonna get back on track. These nails is raggedy, but it's okay. But this right here, tried and true, fabuloso. Love it, love it, love it, love it. It will have your house just fresh and smelling great. And have you ever just wanted, now if you want that clean scent, smell like fresh laundry, and this is not even $4. Okay, not even $4. So get you some. And Target, they have cleaner with bleach, less than $5. And Clorox, I didn't want to bring my big bottle over here. Y'all, lifting it, like I said, things is day by day, but I don't really try to lift heavy things. But my big bottle of Clorox, y'all can get that if you can find it. But I tell you what, go to the store early in the morning. Okay, go to the store early in the morning, or go to the Dollar Tree and you can get you some Clorox. But I believe in putting it in the mop water, you know, in the bathtub, like seasoning when you cleaning the tub, toilet, all that. Clorox things down, killing germs. Like I said, Corona, she ain't went nowhere. The numbers might be going down, but she has not went anywhere. So you want to always make sure that your house is clean and fresh. And y'all, I just really wanted to jump on here because I really, really, really miss y'all. And you know, I still want to thank you guys for your support. Y'all, we like I said, y'all have crushed it. We have over 2,000 family members. I cannot thank you enough. And if you want to start a YouTube channel, come on now. It's 2021. Start your channel. The only thing that's stopping you is you. We need more content creators, more YouTubers on here. There is enough room for everybody. Like I said, I really just wanted to get on here and talk to y'all and let y'all know where I've been. I look forward for us to go places, do things. Vlogs is coming back. Y'all know I'm gonna tell y'all about prices and stuff. I'm just looking forward to spending time with you guys. I love you. If you're still watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yes, go on it. I'm gonna give you a minute. Go on and hit that subscribe button. It's free. It is free. Go on and hit that subscribe button. But like I said, I just wanted to let y'all know your girl is back, and I look forward to, like I said, taking y'all places and for us doing things together. I love y'all, and once again, I thank you for your support. I'm Nikki J, and I'm out.